Close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. But all the while, you hear a creature creeping up behind. You're out of time. Shimon. There's no second chance it gets a thing with 40 eyes. River night, you're fighting for your life, for the thriller, killer tonight. Dead creatures falling, the nights now so the masquerade. No escape. There's no escaping this joy, the alien this time. It's the end of your life. 'Cause this is thriller, thriller night. Thriller night, fighting for your life, for the thriller, killer tonight.
I took a picture. Yeah, it's still recording. How do you turn it on?